podcasters, welcome to JH586. I'm Jamie. That's my dog Blaze. We got a box. Can't hardly pick it up, and it's a small box. This is from Andy 79Z28. Let's move over here to the table and see what he sent us. So, American Hillbilly sent this Smith & Wesson knife. Alright, look at here. Okay, these are the ones I was wanting. Lyman 358 430, 195 grain round nose, 119 grains in zinc. Here we've got some Lyman 311 332, 180 grain. PT gas check. Pointed tip. Gas check. 113. Size to 309. Can y'all get a good look at that? That's going to be a nice bullet for 308, which is what we're going to do here. And yeah. 358 429. Yes, sir. That's a good bullet. It's a semi-wad cutter from Lyman. Size to 358, 104 grains. This is going to be a burner, baby. I'm going to shoot these in my Rossi 92. And here's some 6337 tin to lead. I have some of these, and these really make your molds fill out. So, golly, man, thank you, Andy. I appreciate you, man. These right here, loaded up, and some 35 Remington. That dog knows every time the camera comes on, I believe. And these 30 cal, I'm gonna try some of these in Buddy's 308 here. Take two. Okay. If you're a caster, you don't have use for your zinc, please send it to Andy. If you need help getting in touch with Andy, get in touch with me. I can hook you up. He's got a great use for it, which I've explained before. He's got some commercial folks looking at zinc bullets, and we're already seeing zinc 22 bullets out there, and they're advertising them for how fast they're going. So I think Andy deserves a lot of credit for. He should get royalties off all those 22 bullets. Anyway, Andy, thanks for the box. I want to say welcome to all of our new subscribers here. We've gotten probably 150 in the last month or so. We finally made it over 1,000 subscribers, and I got to thank all you guys that put out the videos. And check us out this coming Friday night on the Georgia Shooting Connection channel. We're going to have a big party and a big giveaway, and got some pretty nice stuff to give away. Then I think a special thanks goes out to Hillbilly Up. He's relatively new in what we do around here. Great member of our community. What we're trying to do now is we're trying to get him up to 750. So if y'all go over there and subscribe to Hillbilly Up, we get him to 750, and he's very few away at the moment. So go over there and sub him, and then he's got some giveaways he's going to give away on Saturday night. So we could be like giving away a bunch of prizes on Friday night and Saturday night this week. So that would be awesome. And I want to thank especially the Scottish American, Chris from the 740, Gene, reloading from the Hot Pot, Tactical Fud, 6-shooter Texan. See, I shouldn't start naming. I'm going to leave somebody out. And, you know who you are. If you did a video, I appreciate you. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome. Now, I got to get busy making some content to help keep you around. and that we're going to get started on 308 here, hopefully within the week. So I guess this is turning into more of a channel update kind of thing. Anyway, thanks guys. Remember, go sub Hillbilly up and send your zinc to Andy79Z28. We hope the Lord blesses y'all all real good. And if He's willing, we'll see you Friday night at 8 o'clock. Or maybe sooner if we get another video done. Thanks, guys. God bless you. Bye.